Did you know that it's possible to make money on YouTube without ever getting in front of a camera and without ever showing your face? I know it sounds crazy, but if you want to achieve success on YouTube without spending hours a day in front of a camera, filming videos with countless retakes, buying extremely expensive video and audio equipment, and without even being good at technology, then I'd love to introduce you to the real way of going about doing this. There is a real way and a wrong way of going about doing this. And in this video today, I want to show you the real way, which is something called niche YouTube channels. My name is Matt Parr, and I actually do this method. I run 9 different YouTube channels, 8 of which are niche channels where I don't even show my face. I've been able to get over 1 million subscribers on one of my channels and over 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels. Now, just a couple of years ago, in 2014, I was a completely broke high school student, and at the time, I did have a YouTube channel, and I would just upload all these random videos like backyard stunts, videos with my friends, gaming videos. And in all honesty, I'd be lucky if I had a video that got 10 views. That is, until I came across a YouTube channel that uploaded videos onto YouTube without ever showing their face. They used other people's videos, they did a voiceover on top of them, and they made them into fair use, and they uploaded them onto YouTube. And these videos got millions upon millions of views. And the videos seemed so easy to make. So you know what I did? I took this really crappy iPhone that I had at the time, I started recording voiceovers with my high-pitched voice, I edited the videos on my laptop, and I uploaded them onto YouTube. And after switching to this method and uploading YouTube videos every single day on my channel, this was literally like the only thing that I was focused on in my life. And after a few months doing this, I had my first video get over 100,000 views. Now, this was just completely mind-blowing to me back then, and I remember showing all my friends on my school bus. I thought it was so cool. Now, at this point, I didn't even know that you could make money on YouTube. That is, until I came across an article talking about how some of the top YouTubers make tens of millions of dollars per year. So I looked into it, and it turns out that YouTube has something called the YouTube Partner Program, in which YouTube will actually put ads on your videos, and they'll give you a percentage of the ad revenue for every person that watches the ads that play before your videos. So I asked my parents, I signed up for the YouTube Partner Program, and once I was accepted, the next month, my channel was making $3,000 a month. Now, this was a ton for a broke high school student at the time. And just as a disclaimer as well, that channel was already getting a ton of views every single month on it, but I didn't even know about the YouTube Partner Program and that you could monetize videos prior to that point. And once I discovered that you can actually make money doing this, I doubled down on it. I put school on the back burner, doubled down on YouTube, and I tried to discover what works, what doesn't work, doubling down on what works and cutting out all the rest. And in just a few months after that, I was able to scale to making over $9,000 a month from YouTube with this incredibly unique method. Now, even though it seemed incredible making $9,000 a month as a high school student, I was making more money than my parents, more money than all my friends. Even though it seemed amazing, I literally had no time to do anything else. I was all in consumed with this YouTube channel, generating the videos myself and uploading all the videos myself completely from scratch. That is until I figured out that you can actually outsource the work and get other people to make the videos for you. And this is actually what a lot of the top YouTube channels do. And this is how you can potentially make money on YouTube without even making videos. And that's what's truly amazing about niche YouTube channels. So I put together a content team on that channel, and then I started making more channels in different niches since my time was now freed up. And that brings us to today, where I run 9 different YouTube channels and make over 6 figures per month from YouTube. And it feels absolutely crazy just saying that, and I'm so grateful for the position that I'm in today, and I want to help as many people as I possibly can with this incredible way of doing YouTube. Now, before I explain what this unique way of doing YouTube is, let me first explain what most people think of when they think of doing YouTube. And this is going to give you more context so you understand how amazing niche channels truly are. Now, when most people think about doing YouTube, they think about getting in front of a camera and filming videos like I'm doing right now. And while there are a lot of pros with this method, there's also a lot of cons. And oftentimes the process looks like this. You spend a bunch of time and money setting up a studio, buying cameras, audio equipment, microphones, lighting, and then you sit there trying to come up with video ideas that you hope will get views, and for most people, they never do. And then you spend hours in front of a camera filming a video with countless retakes, And on top of that, you have to have a good on-camera personality. And then you transfer your video onto a computer. You spend additional hours in front of the computer editing that video. And when you finally get your video uploaded that took so much time and effort to make, you have to deal with the fact that 1, your video might not get any views whatsoever, and 2, people attacking you personally, leaving hate comments. And it doesn't stop there. Then you do this entire process again and again. Now, you may have been thinking about doing this, you may have done this, and you know how draining of a process this can be, or you've known other people who've tried this and failed. And I've seen so many people try to do this and not get very far with it. Now, a lot of people think that the only way to make money on YouTube without making videos is to simply steal other people's content from their channels, download it onto your computer, and then re-upload that footage onto YouTube. Now, whatever you do not do that. That's the wrong way of going about doing this that I see people teaching, and that's why people aren't able to build a real long-term business with their YouTube channels. I want you to have real long-term success with your channel. And the way you do that is by doing this the real way. And here are the benefits of going about doing this the real way. With niche channels, you never have to step in front of a camera, meaning you don't have to have a crazy personality and you don't have to be involved with everything that goes into that process. You can start generating videos for completely free, meaning that the profit margin with this business can potentially be insane. And finally, you can outsource the content creation once your channel is producing income and scale to running multiple different channels in different niches and build a YouTube empire. And we'll get to that in just a second, but for right now, I just want you to imagine if you just had one niche channel and made an extra $3,000 a month of income from it. How would that change your life? Would you be able to quit your job? Or imagine running multiple different niche channels, all bringing you in predictable income every single month, and all you have to do is spend a few hours a day managing the operation of those channels. And then with the rest of your time, you're free to do whatever you want, and you have consistent income coming in to pay for whatever you want to pay for in your life. How would you feel if you woke up every single day knowing that you have channels bringing in consistent money for you? And think about everything else in your life that would fall in place as a result of this, such as being able to spend more time with the people you truly care about, being able to travel, and being able to do whatever you want with the money you're making. It'd be a game changer, right? Well, in the next video, in this 6-video series, I'll show you exactly how to start implementing this unique way of doing YouTube. And I'll walk you through step by step a simple strategy that you can use to get results fast. So stay tuned and do not miss the next video. I've also got some really exciting news about those of you who are serious about doing this and want to discover how to do this the right way for sure over the next 90 days. In a few days, I'm going to be releasing my program Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 with a ton of bonuses, and I'm going to take on a handful of new students and teach them exactly how I build profitable niche channels from complete scratch. Now, as much as I'd love to help everybody with running niche channels, I find that my students get the absolute best results if I'm able to help them in a private group and answer every single one of their questions. Because that way, everybody can get the help and the support that they really need. So this is going to be a huge opportunity, and spots are going to be granted on a first-come, first-serve basis. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to click the link below this video and put your name on something called the early bird waitlist. Everyone who's on the early bird waitlist will get access to the registration link the night before the program launches and get all the special bonuses as well. So make sure that you put your name on the early bird waitlist. Just click the link, fill out the form, just put in your name and email, and you can get a spot in the early bird waitlist, and your spot will be reserved and you'll get early access to the program. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next video because I'll be showing you exactly how to start on YouTube with niche channels the real way and get success on YouTube. And if that video's already out, it'll be next to me right here. So if you see a video right here, check it out. This is the next video in the 6-video series, and you'll get so much value from this video right here. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.